Hi students, how are you? Today we will discuss about significant figure. This is a session 2. In session 1, I have discussed about accuracy, precision and fundamental units. Before that, I want to convey some messages to the students that we are reading here and there. We are reading so many books for our future purpose, that is JEE Mains, NEET, whatever it may be. But remember one thing, you should read the NCERT book thoroughly, class 11 as well as class 12, part 1, part 2. If you can read properly, then you can attempt all the questions in the competitive exams, that is the entrance exams, as well as in your CBSE board exam. So remember things. Okay? Okay. So significant figures, that is the significant figures are the digits which are known with certainty. That is जिसका कुछ certain value रहते हैं with one uncertain value. Okay, यहाँ पर written, these are the meaningful digits which are known with certainty, or significant figures in a numerical quantity, that is in a numerical value, are those digits which are known definitely plus one more which is uncertain. Now, for how much uncertainty will be there? Uncertainty will be plus minus 1. Uncertainty will be plus minus 1. Okay. Now we have to know, we have to follow some rules to identify the significant figures. First of all the non-zero digits are significant. Say I have 1, 2, 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, that is 3 significant figures. Number 1 point. Number 2, if 0 present between two non-zero digits, 0 is there, 1, 2, then this 0 has significant. That is, here number of significant figure is 3, here also 3. Number 3, if 0 is present before any non-zero digit, say 0, 1, 2, then this 0 has no significant. That is, here significant figure is 2. Now come to the decimal point. If any 0 is present in the decimal form and before non-zero digit, 1, 2 is the non-zero digit and these are the 0. So this 0 has no significance. So significant figure is 2 here. If any 0 present after non-zero digit, whether decimal is present or not, then it has significant. That is, there 3 significant figure is there. In the power and exponent forms, like this, say we are writing 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, which is the mass of electron. This power and exponent form, that is 10 to the power something, what we are writing, it has no significance. Here only 2 significant figures are there. Last point, if exact number is there, exact number means, say 1 dozen pen, 1 dozen means 12. Now 13 होगा ना 11 होगा. 1 inch a rod. So 1 inch means 1 inch. Now 1.5 is now 0.5 inch. 20 balls. 20 means 20, not 21 balls, not 19 balls. So exact numbers has infinite number of significant figures. Clear? Exact numbers has infinite number of significant figures. Again I am telling how will you identify number of significant figures. All the non-zero digits are significant. 0 between two non-zero digits are significant. 0 before any non-zero digit are not significant. 0 after non-zero digit significant. In the power and exponent form, the first one, the value that is the numerical value is significant, not 10 to the power value. And the exact number has infinite number of significant figure. So 1 dozen pen, 1 week, significant figure, fixed infinite number of significant figure, 20 eggs, infinite number of significant figures. So this is the significant figures, and how will you know the number of significant figure given in the given value. Okay. Next, rounding of significant values. Before rounding off, another thing is there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division according to significant figure. Just I have given one example for addition. 25.23, there are 5 significant figures. 15.0, 3 significant figure. 1.022, 4 significant figure. Now we have to see after decimal, here 2 digit, here 1 digit, here 3 digit after decimal. So whenever we add these 3 numbers, we get this one 41.252. But since least after decimal, least digit is 1, so answer should be 141.2, that is 1 digit. That is, we have to follow the after decimal how many digits are there which is least. Again I am telling, whenever we will add, subtract, multiply or division in various numbers, we have to follow after decimal where least digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever we say here, 1 is the least digit. So answer will be the numbers where after decimal only 1 digit will be there. Same thing will be there in for subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear? Okay. Now rounding off. This will depends upon you. How many significant figure you will take. Say for example, I have given here 2 examples. First, for 3 significant figure, 2 rules are there. If outermost right digit to be removed is less than 5, say here 7.6645535, how much significant figure will be there? 3 significant figure will be there. So if it is like this, then what will happen? If it is less than 5, the preceding number is not changed. Here we will take up to 3 significant figures. So 7.664535. So 4 should be dropped. This 4, since 4 is less than 5, so this preceding number will not be changed. So for this number, significant figure will be this. Now if it is, that is the outermost right digit, if it is greater than 5, what will happen? If it is greater than 5, then the preceding number will be increased by 1. So here we will take up to 3 significant figure. So here 7.668535. For 3 significant figure, we have to drop this 8, which is greater than 5. That's why this preceding number will be increased by 1. That is, here it will be 7.67. Now, if we take 4 significant figure, now outermost digit to be removed is 5. और 4 significant figure, अगर outermost digit 5 होते हैं जो remove होगा, now the preceding number may not be changed if it is even. ये 5 drop होगा, ये जो 5 है वो drop होगा. ये drop होने से इसका जो preceding number which is 4 is even, so there will be no change. That is 6.514 will be there. Now if it is odd, that is the 5 you have to remove, and before 5 the digit, if it is odd, then preceding number may be increased by 1. That is, this number may be increased, not written, may be increased by 1 if it is odd. That is 6.5155, it will be 6.516, because this number, this 5 have to be dropped, and this 5 is odd number, and here 4 is even number. So there are certain rules are there. You have to read NCERT book. Every rules will be there properly. Now some MCQ. They are based on significant figure. To MCQ I have written. First one, how many significant figures are there in the addition of 29.4406, 3.2 and 2.25? Now you have to add this one. It will be say 29.4406 and 3.2 and 2.25. How many digits are there? Now add it. It will be 34.868906. 34.8906. Now, since after decimal, here 4 digits are there, here 1 digit, here 2 digits are there, so result should be like this, where only 1 digit is there after decimal. So definitely we have to take 34 point something. तो 34 point something means 3 होगा इसका आंसर. अगर वैल्यू बोला तो क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? अगर वैल्यू बोला तो वो क्या होगा? 89. This is near about 34.9. its value will be 34.9. Second one, in which of the following numbers all the zeros are significant? 0.0005. Before non-zero digit, all zeros are not significant. Number one, ये होगा. Same before non-zero. Here all zeros are present after non-zero. So the answer will be this. So like this type of question सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर से आ सकते हैं. तो ये तुम लोग प्रैक्टिस भी करोगे. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक अकॉर्डिंग टू एनसीईआरटी सिलेबस व्हिच इज डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस और फैक्टर लेवल मेथड और यूनिट फैक्टर मेथड. नाउ कम टू डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. इस डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस को हम लोग और भी दो नाम से बोल सकते हैं. एक है यूनिट फैक्टर मेथड और फैक्टर लेवल मेथड. दिस इज नथिंग बट टू कन्वर्ट एनी यूनिट्स फ्रॉम वन सिस्टम टू अनदर, एंड इट इज अ वेरी गुड टेक्निक in our daily calculation, and also it is based on the relationship between different units that expresses same quantity. Just I have given one example, some examples. Just say 1 meter, how many inch, everything it is there in different types of books. 1 mile 5280 feet, 1 mile 1.6 kilometer, 1 newton 1 kg per meter square, 1 dyne 10 to the power minus 5 newton, like this. Different types of conversion. 1 year how many second, 1 year how many hours, लीटर मीटर क्यूब में चेंज करो. तो ऐसे जो न्यूमेरिकल्स है वो है डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. और इस डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस से जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स आएगा वो बहुत इजी रहेगा. लेकिन इस पार्ट से एंट्रेंस दैट इज नीट और जेईई मेन में ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है जेईई मेंस और नीट के लिए. सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर बहुत अच्छी तरह से देखोगे. इससे पहले फर्स्ट सेशन में मैंने डिस्कस किया था एक्यूरेसी, प्रिसिशन, some fundamental units, that is basic unit, derived unit, like this. इस आज का जो सेशन है उसमें सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस डिस्कस किया. नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लॉज ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन. हर वीडियो को अच्छी तरह से देखते रहो. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू for in future CBSE board exam as well as NEET JEE मेंस एग्जाम. इस चैनल को जितना हो सके पूरा देखो. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरा नंबर मिलेगा, मुझे फ़ोन कर सकते हो, व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो, सब कुछ कर सकते हो अगर किसी को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो. और वीडियो को जो चैनल को पूरा सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो. It will be very helpful for you coming NEET or entrance exam as well as board exam. Clear?